Alright folks, here I got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. This Roomba is used, but it works great, and the battery here is used. So it lasts about an hour or so. So it's pretty good for battery. What I got here, I'll show you quickly, is an extra brand new side brush, an extra brand new filter. So this is the 6-legged brush. Also got a virtual wall lighthouse. It's in great shape. It does require two C-size batteries. You got a power adapter or charger, a docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. And if you have questions, please let me know. So here's the Roomba itself. On pictures you guys might see a little more detail of the bumper area and other places, but I think it's hard to capture this little smudges, I guess, on the faceplate. So it's just from normal wear, going underneath bed or underneath couches. So it's like little scrapes. Alright. Here's the bumper area. Now flip it over. So here's the bottom side. So the 3-legged brush still has life left in it. It's in pretty good shape. Still work for you guys. The front wheel is still pretty good shape. Says 560 right there. Anyway, I'm gonna remove the dustbin to show you guys inside. Now everything here has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice, clean, and disinfected robot. There's the serial number in case you're interested in. And here's the brushes. Also have been cleaned and disinfected. And the cleaning head module here also have been cleaned and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. I'll show you guys how it works. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys can see that the bumper sensors work correctly and there's no issues with this. So everything has been tested and make sure everything works correctly. A straight run. Alright, thanks for watching.